Buckle up, because you're about to witness some of the world's dumbest drivers in action. In this video, we've compiled a hilarious compilation of idiot driver fails that will make you laugh and cringe at the same time. So sit back and enjoy the ride. OMG, who is this woman really? She doesn't even understand the distinction between water and fuel. Cleaning her car at the gas station. She didn't even glance at the nearby gas station sign.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Keep scanning, even if the light turns green. The signs and road markings are leading, and traffic lights are a tool. When the traffic light turned green, the driver of the awful red, brown, yellowish automobile stood on the gas and never looked up. I'm relieved it wasn't an Audi and a Ford, as opposed to bikers. When they begin to pass, I just begin to slow down while getting ready to accelerate. However, I can't see the part where he nearly caused a collision. That was very near. Because the automobile with the dash cam stopped quickly, the car traveling in the opposite direction was able to travel safely.
Whoa. Whoa. Doing. Turn the corner and ooh, no, biscuit.
The driver of this cargo truck needs extra instruction. Have no idea how to wait your turn or even keep a safe gap between two trucks. The vehicle in the rear was already moving at a high rate of speed and injured another truck. When the rail lines got in the way, they crashed. The driver of the car appears intoxicated. He probably wouldn't have drifted, but all of a sudden he realized his error and moved on.
I think it's O's birthday. Whoa, there we go. What happened there?
It appears to be a stolen police vehicle. You would see the other police cars if they kept playing at it. These truck drivers must be capable of taking shifts. It should go without saying that huge vehicles require wide spaces and wider bins.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
A massive transport truck overturned. The subject is being discussed by a large crowd, and I believe the driver will soon lose his job. With the volume of traffic from the nearby superstore, that intersection resembles the busiest street in the entire town. Those bike riders appear to be participating in some sort of race, but the black man's lack of a helmet strikes me as odd. The truck suffered damage from the back that some car seriously wrecked. At one point, even the truck was stopped. These incidents of road rage demonstrate the necessity for drivers to learn more about driving, because many more collisions may occur without it. That's all for today. See you later!